Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest Windows tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into how to turn off efficiency mode in Windows 2025. If you've noticed your apps running slower or not performing as expected, efficiency mode might be the culprit. This feature, introduced in recent Windows updates, helps save battery life and system resources by limiting background processes, but sometimes it can hinder your productivity. Don't worry. I'll walk you through the steps to disable it quickly and easily. First things first, make sure you're on Windows 2025 or the latest version. To start, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on your keyboard to open the Task Manager. This is your go-to tool for managing processes. Once Task Manager is open, head over to the Processes tab. Here, you'll see a list of all running applications and background processes. Look for the app that's in efficiency mode. It's usually marked with a small icon or label next to it. Right-click on that process, and from the context menu, select Efficiency Mode. A toggle switch or option will appear. Simply click to turn it off. If you want to disable it for multiple apps, repeat this for each one. That's it, your app should now run at full capacity. Remember, turning off efficiency mode might increase battery drain, so use this wisely, especially on laptops. If you're dealing with system-wide settings, you might also check under Settings, System, Power and Battery for additional options. There you go. You've just optimized your Windows experience. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.